Let's be honest. Finding court documents in Caddo County, Oklahoma shouldn't require a law degree, right? But with its totally decentralized system, it can absolutely feel like a maze. Well, in this explainer, I am handing you the ultimate roadmap to navigating these public records like an absolute pro. Let's dive right in.
So, say you're a landlord running a background check, or maybe you just need to verify a local contractor. You type a name into a search bar and boom, you either get absolutely zero results or a confusing mountain of unrelated data. So what's the secret here? Well, Caddo County's records aren't sitting in one magical centralized filing cabinet. They're actually spread out across state, local, and even tribal systems.
Here is how we're going to break it all down today. Section 1 covers the online court portals. Section 2 is about choosing the right tool. Section 3 covers in-person and mail requests. Section 4 dives into jail, tribal, and municipal records. Section 5 helps you avoid common location mistakes. And finally, Section 6 will wrap things up with our legal disclaimer and conclusion.
All right, starting off with Section 1, the online court portals, and what we call the dual portal paradigm.
Okay, so Oklahoma courts use a pretty unique dual portal setup. On one side, you have OSCN. This is the official state-run network. The best part? It's completely free, and you get free PDF downloads. The catch is that it only updates daily. Now, on the flip side, there's ODCR, which is actually run by a private vendor. Surprisingly, this one updates hourly. Now, while basic searches on ODCR are free, if you want the advanced tools and instant images, you're looking at a monthly subscription fee of about $5 to $25.
Moving right along to Section 2, choosing the right tool, focusing on search tactics.
Okay, this is absolutely crucial. Once you actually run a search, you'll see a series of letters. Knowing these specific prefixes acts like an instant decoder ring for you. For instance, if you spot a CF right next to a name, you instantly know you're dealing with a criminal felony. CM, that's a criminal misdemeanor. CJ means civil relief over $10,000, while CS is for civil cases under $10,000. Family matters are also clearly tagged. You'll see FD for family or divorce and FP for paternity. Basically, memorizing these transforms what looks like a confusing string of random characters into an instant summary of the entire case. A real game changer.
Next up, Section 3, in-person and mail requests, dealing with the physical reality.
So what happens when the digital trail just goes completely cold? Well, you have to go straight to the physical custodian. For Caddo County, that is Court Clerk Patty Barger, located right in downtown Anadarko. If you need certified documents, just be prepared for the standard fees. You're looking at $15 for a standard certified copy, and that jumps up to $50 if you need a certified copy of a divorce decree.
Now, if you're out of state or you just can't make the trip to Anadarko in person, don't worry. Just follow these 3 highly actionable steps. Step 1. Always call the clerk's office at 405-247-3393 first. You need to get an exact page count and a fee quote. Step 2. Write out a clear letter with the exact case name, the case number, and the specific documents you need. And Step 3. Mail your request, but make sure to include a money order for the exact amount plus a self-addressed, stamped envelope. Do that and your request will be processed smoothly and land right back in your mailbox.
Let's shift gears to Section 4, jail, tribal, and municipal, also known as the blind spots.
You know, if you're looking for someone who was literally just arrested, checking the state databases won't help much because there's an administrative lag. The formal charges just haven't been filed yet. So for real-time custody updates, you've got to bypass the courts entirely and check active law enforcement databases. You can search the Caddo County Sheriff's online jail roster for current active bookings and mugshots, or just hop onto the National Oklahoma VineLink system to track their custody status and bail updates.
And here's a massive hidden secret about Caddo County's unique geography. If a legal event occurred on sovereign Native American land within the county's boundaries, the Oklahoma state court system is entirely blind to it, completely blind. In those instances, you actually have to request records directly from the Southern Plains Regional CFR Court that's administered by the Bureau of Indian Affairs, and it's located just north of Anadarko up on Highway 281. Oh, and similarly, highly localized traffic tickets, those might only be sitting at municipal city halls, not at the district courthouse.
All right, Section 5, avoiding common location mistakes, the geographic trapdoor.
Because of shared historical names, it is astonishingly easy to fall straight through a geographic trapdoor. The 2 absolute biggest mistakes people make: first, searching Caddo Parish, which will actually land you way down in Shreveport, Louisiana. Second, looking up the town of Caddo, which is hours and hours away in Bryan County, Oklahoma. So always double-check your jurisdiction. You definitely don't want to waste your time and money searching in the completely wrong state.
And finally, Section 6, legal disclaimer and conclusion.
Okay, before we wrap, it is absolutely critical to remember that this information and any public records you might uncover are provided merely as a service. It's totally up to you to verify the accuracy of the documents you find. Furthermore, this explainer is strictly for educational purposes to help you navigate public databases. No legal advice is being rendered here today, folks. Always consult a qualified attorney for actual legal counsel.
So, there you have it. You are now equipped with the exact strategies the professionals use. You know the portals, you understand those docket prefixes, you know exactly where the physical courthouse is, and you know how to navigate those tricky tribal and municipal blind spots. So, what hidden history, real estate insights, or crucial data will you uncover now that you hold the master keys to Caddo County's records? The search is in your hands. Happy researching.